What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Cash checking in, and we got another test drive for y'all. Another test drive and another review. Stay tuned. Stay motherfucking tuned. What's going on, y'all? We got the two-door Blazer here, two-door Blazer. We're gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick walk around, This motherfucker clean, man. Clean. Shit. For the most part, this is definitely one of my favorite trucks. For those of y'all that don't know, this bitch right here. So for the most part, this mug definitely got an older front end, as y'all can see. What I was just telling my cousin is that he definitely should swap that shit out and put a new Tahoe front end, some LEDs, smoked out lights, you know what I'm saying? Give it that more aggressive look. Also, if it was me, I told him that I would go ahead and tint down these windows. I mean, it's on the right. And I also told him, you see how you got one pipe out the back? I told him go ahead and make that motherfucker dual exhaust so it can breathe. But that's a walk around on the outside. I could pop the trunk for y'all. Ooh, you got that shit locked up, but it's all good. Boom. Give y'all a slight look at the interior. It looked like they somewhere had a little tint on here because the paint peeling a little bit, but we'll see. This the interior. Work truck in his eyes. Sorry for the noise, y'all. It's that key. Old school security. And then the cool thing about these motherfuckers is that the seat, to get in the back seat, you gotta pull this right here. Pull this thing right here for entry. You see it? Entry. Bam. And then you climb into the back seat. And then you could scoot this joint up. You know what I'm saying? Give them room to hop in the back. And this is what the back seat. That's crazy. The back seat is actually leather in this one. The back seat is actually leather. For a view in the trunk, my nigga got a missing spoon back there. What the hell going on? And a chicken bone. What the fuck? Is that a chicken bone? What the fuck? Alright, we're gonna act like we ain't see that, y'all. We ain't gonna act like we ain't see that. Alright, boom. No automatic windows. That's all good. And then we got the cup holders. Kind of dope. Factory radio. What's that? 100 on the dash. Shit. But we about to start this motherfucker up. Before we start it up. So these things, that's another thing I love about these motherfucking big boy Chevys like this. They come with that 350 in them. That's how you let the hood up on one of these. Pop and lock. Turn the lights on. You see everything on the dash just lit up. Dash work. I don't know why my nigga had the high beams on, but it's all good. One of the organic say, gotta play with it a little bit. Gotta play with it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Got the hood up. There we go. That world famous 350 big block. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is peel this around the block real quick. Give it a quick little test drive and then go from there. Alright, what's going on, y'all? We just got in the truck. We getting ready to peel off for the test drive. So kind of like I was saying, one things that I like about these trucks is that they come with the 350 in there, so you already know they come running. They come running and they come ready to go. You hear my nigga, he got this bitch running a little. That's what I love about these bitches. It come with that 5.7 in there, so you really ain't gotta do nothing. Like I said, you throw some duals on this bitch to make it really breathe. That'll already give it a little bit more of a snappier response, and it'll definitely make it get up and go a lot faster. But shit, as far as the suspension and everything go, this motherfucker feel like you honestly riding on the cloud. Motherfucking buff ass cloud. This bitch remind me of them, and the camera keep on swinging, baby, keep on swinging. But this bitch actually remind me of like a motherfucking pit bull, a pit bull truck. Yeah, this motherfucker coming. And then in a second, I might be able to show y'all what this motherfucker can really do, but that all depends on how I'm feeling, you know? I just found a little homie. I could ask him to hold the camera real quick, hold the camera, but we'll see what I'll show you. Like I said, I just took this motherfucker on for a test drive. You know? See what I look at. Rolling, boy, oh God. Shit, and that's kind of what I was saying about these motherfuckers, man. I love this truck. Honestly, if this nigga was selling this bitch, I'd buy this bitch right now off his ass. This motherfucker run, boy, and it pull. It don't waste no time. That's one thing that I can say about these trucks is that they got a quick response time, you know what I'm saying? Quick, just like that. Just like the camera just flipped and I look back and it's on a whole nother level. Just like that. So shit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and plug y'all in and I'm gonna go ahead and hook y'all up with this bonus feature. This bonus feature, man. Really don't even do this shit, but I'm gonna show y'all how we do it. Show you how we do this shit. Hold on, let me find a nice little spot. A nice little spot, you know what I'm saying? Nice. Y'all ready? Alright. I'm about to show y'all what this bitch really can do. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Stay motherfucking tuned.